Hello everyone, my name is Anu Loukkola-Salo. I'm the teacher of tourism here at OSAO and I'm going to tell you now about tourism studies here. We are now in one of our tourism classrooms. I'm teaching vocational qualification of tourism and we started last autumn totally new qualification in English. My group is quite small. I have around 10 students here. Students are from Finland, Uganda, China and Russia. Our studies are quite practical. We are working hands-on in different kind of events and activities with students. We cooperate very much with local companies. For example, different kind of events that are organized around city. Quite often our students are part of those events. At the moment, my students are on their on-job learning period. They're in hotels in Oulu area, but also in Lapland, and you can even go to abroad. Last summer we had one student who spent 4 months in Greece and it was a great opportunity for him. We have lots of international activities also during the studies. We have quite often international guests from other schools, for example, and right at the moment we have guests from Spain and Italy, and our students are organizing some events or activities for them. If you're thinking about your own English skills, you don't have to be fluent English speaker. Your English skills and language skills will grow during the studies, but you can use your English daily when you talk with your classmates, and during your studies you learn English better and you can help you to achieve, for example, an international career in the future. So, what do we do here? We have, of course, these nice classrooms. We have very good facilities here at school, but we also go outdoors. We make trips with students and overnight camping and do a lot of outdoor activities together. Tourism is a great, versatile industry with a lot of job opportunities. It is growing at the moment. Many people from other countries come to Finland because they want to see our beautiful nature, clean air, maybe northern lights in the winter time, or they want to try different kind of activities when they are traveling here. Welcome to tourism business. This is a very interesting field and there are lots of different kind of job opportunities. If you're interested in working in hotel or outdoors with different kind of people, everything is possible. You can always contact us and come to see how we are studying tourism here.
Hello, my name's Pekka. I am the entrepreneur here at One Bar. I'm also a bartender. Been in the game for about 23 years, been an entrepreneur for about 15 years. One of the best things about working in a bar, the people. The people on both sides, the people on that side of the bar and your co-workers on this side of the bar. That's what makes the restaurant industry the best. It's basically just the people. It's the interactions with people, talking to them, having fun with them. Now, what does an entrepreneur do in a bar? The answer to that question is anything that needs to be done. Like I myself love being behind the bar, love talking to customers, just doing the basic shift. As an entrepreneur, or if you are a restaurant manager, you've got to take care of everything. And especially in a small bar, that means doing the marketing. If something gets smashed or broken, something falls apart, getting that fixed. Taking care of all the bureaucracy, just a bunch load of stuff. So everything you got to do, well, there is no job description to say it that way. One day it can be you got to do this, the next day it's you got to do that. So no 2 days are the same. And the same is even if when you work behind the bar, that's the same. Because the thing about working in a bar, like I told you, the best thing are the people. And because of those people, it means that no 2 days in a bar are the same. So the basic concept is you're the host, you entertain the people, because the people change, the day changes. And that in itself is the best part about being in the restaurant industry. Now, one of our co-workers is Akim. He came from Ukraine, and he's one of the best flair bartenders in the world. And flair bartenders are people who do shows. Now he loves bartending, but he also puts a lot of effort into throwing the bottles and he performs a lot. And this week on Sunday he's got a competition, and let's go see what Akim has to say, yeah?
Hi, my name is Akim. I'm a flair bartender. I do flair since 2009. I became international champion in flair bartending. So for now, I just do flairing, work at the same time. And for the flair for me is like, it's not just the bartending, it's also like in sports maybe, because I'm keeping my body in shape. I can say I invest my time to flair. Yeah, because the flair is also like a feedback. Yeah, what I can say, the flair is awesome thing to do, and I'm happy that I'm flair bartender.
That was pretty cool, wasn't it? The way he throws them bottles, it's amazing. My jaw drops every time I watch it. Considering how much Finland has now become more international, we've got a lot of people working in the industry who do not speak Finnish. English is one of the main languages that are used in a lot of restaurants. So if you don't know Finnish, that should not be a hindrance. So if the restaurant industry is something that you feel like this could be for you, come try it out. There are just so many different ways of becoming part of the restaurant industry. You can go to school, get an education. You can ask just your local bar or restaurant if you can try it out and do some training there. There are a million ways to get into the industry. And after 23 years, I wouldn't change it for the world. Hope you enjoy working in the restaurant industry as much as me. So welcome. We're waiting for you, mate.